very important day for us. And Titan, as you know, never stops from doing something different every time. And today we are about to, or in fact, we've just unveiled something which is first of its kind. Uh, Before I come to the, the core point and the reason for which we are meeting today, let me just give you a brief background, to this whole event and why we are doing what we are doing today. Titan, as you know, has completed 30 years this year. We started as a watchmaker. Uh, Titan got to be known as having the prowess to manufacture, with setting up the best manufacturing facility. People started calling us India's best retailer because of the kind of showrooms we have. And over the years, Titan has transformed and become what people call a lifestyle company. And this label we have got on account of three reasons, basic reasons, which has been spoken and written about, which is for all our products, true design differentiation, product innovation, and being very consumer-centric. We've been very consumer-centric in our approach in everything that we do, whether it's our advertising, whether it's about creation of products, whether it's about the experience that we give in our stores. And with that consumer centricity and with the desire and intention to address different consumer segments, we have created a large portfolio of brands, in watches, targeting different consumer segments, not just in the Indian market, but we have presence in about 30 countries. Now, if you look at all our brands, whether it is Titan, Sonata, Fast Track, we have Xylus, a Swiss brand. There are two brands which are segment focused, which is they target specific segments. One is youth, one is women. So we have a Fast Track as a brand for the youth, and we have Raga, as a brand targeted specifically in women, targeting specifically women. And if you look at the whole world, there aren't too many brands that you can think of in watches or in other categories which target only women, which have been created only for women. Raga, over a period of time, has also evolved. It has got to be known as a brand which women wait for and wear on special occasions. So every Diwali, you have women in India waiting for what is the latest collection from Raga. And if you look at the last 3-4 Diwalis, we had the Garden of Eden, we had the Moonlight collection, which was very successful. This Diwali, we launched the Raga Espana, which is doing extremely well. And we also, for regular wear to office, we last year introduced a collection called Raga Viva, which is not as intense in design, so that women can wear it on different occasions. The reason I'm giving you this history is I'm coming back to the point that we are doing something very, very different today. And this is about adding a new dimension to Raga. Raga is a very big brand as well in India and even in the 30 countries that I was talking about. But this new dimension about Raga is, first time we have collaborated with Masaba, who, as you all know, is a great designer, well-known designer, has her own distinct style with the striking motifs that she has, and a large fan following. So the first time we've collaborated with an external designer, because all the past collections have been created by our design studio. And what she has come up with, you would have just seen, is truly striking. She's come up with 11 statement pieces, from the, what you saw, the wanderer elephant, to the whimsical tail, to, the tribal hug, the swaying fish, each of them, and they have a story behind each of them. So they are truly stunning, and I'm sure these watches will do extremely well in the market as they go out in the market. They're going to be available across over some 380 stores, our World of Titan stores, the Helios stores, the large format stores, including online. So this collection is truly dedicated to the women of today, who's very confident, who's hyper connected, and wants to be wants to be standing out, and very distinct style. I'd like to thank Masaba for everything that she has done. She's worked very closely with our marketing and product teams to conceive this whole collection. And I'm hoping, like I said, it will do extremely well. And once again, thanks for coming today.
Masaba, I'm sure everybody would like to hear from you as well, so request you to please say a few words.
Hi everyone. I think I've had the incredible privilege of always getting to do very new, interesting, exciting things, and this one is extremely special because I have watched Titan Raga from when I was very young, and it was one of those brands that I felt was so India proud more than anything, and it was a brand that catered so specifically to a certain type of woman, which I thought was fantastic, and they were watches that I could actually wear, you know. So when the Titan team reached out to me for this, I was over the moon because doing a watch as you know, a women's wear designer is obviously a very big challenge, but it's also very, very creatively stimulating. And what do I say about Titan Raga? I think it's one of the most iconic brands that we have in the country right now. Extremely great quality product, very innovative, and like I said, women-centric, which is my style. And we did a lovely range of 11 watches with all kinds of watches for different types of people, because we all have such distinct personalities. And we wear watches for different reasons. Some of us like to stack it up like I do and you know, make it more of a statement jewelry piece, while some people like to wear it to work and keep it very understated. And some people just simply like to wear it, you know, over a sari and wear it to a wedding function or something like that. So that's the idea. The idea was to marry both the Titan Raga woman, which is very sophisticated, very elegant, and the Masaba woman, which is very, very edgy and whimsical. So we married quirk and sophistication, and this is what we have come up with today. And I really, really hope that all of you like it. It's already in stores, and I really, really hope you will go experience the product and tell us what you think. And I hope that everyone in your family, your mother, your sister, your cousins, everyone can wear each of these watches, and which is what is special about these. Thank you very much.
The masterpieces that she spoke about, can we play a short video on that? You've seen the product, let's have a video.
Can we have the mic towards the...
हाय मसाबा दिस साइड
Hi.
या
Hi.
मैं ये पूछना चाह रही हूँ कि आजकल घड़ी जो है पहले बहुत ज़्यादा पहने जाता था समय के लिए, लेकिन अभी क्या हो गया है कि अभी मोबाइल पे ही सब लोग टाइम देख लेते हैं, तो घड़ी की इम्पोर्टेंस ख़त्म हो रही है। ऐसे में इस तरीके की कलेक्शन फैशन में अभी आ गया है, तो फैशन में घड़ी का या वॉच पहनना डिफरेंट टाइप्स के कितना ज़रूरी है और कितना ये एलिगेंट बनाते हैं किसी भी वुमेन को पहनने पर?
आई थिंक कि लोग टाइम अपने फ़ोन पे इसलिए देखते हैं क्योंकि वॉचेस अच्छी नहीं है। बट हमने जो लाइन, जैसे मैंने कहा, जैसे मैंने पहना हुआ है ब्रेसलेट्स की तरह, उसी तरह आई थिंक दैट जो टाइटन रागा का कलेक्शन हमने किया है वो ज्वेलरी पीसेस हैं। आप साड़ी पे पहन सकते हैं, आपने जैसे आज जो पहना हुआ है आप वैसे पहन सकते हैं, और आप जीन्स टी शर्ट जो चाहे आप उस पर पहन सकते हैं। आप कहीं हॉलिडे पे जा रहे हैं, आप गाउन के साथ भी पहन सकते हैं। तो बहुत ही वर्सेटाइल कलेक्शन है, और इसलिए मैंने कहा कि जो यंगर ऑडियंस है आज, यंगर वुमेन जो है, उनको स्टेटमेंट पीसेस चाहिए। उनको ये नहीं चाहिए कि उन्होंने घड़ी पहनी हुई है। दे वॉन्ट टू वेयर समथिंग दैट्स more a jewelry, more a statement, more an accessory that people will talk about. तो इसीलिए ये जो हमने रोज़ गोल्ड पीसेस किए हैं, रोज़ गोल्ड बहुत बड़ा ट्रेंड है आजकल, एंड इसलिए जो आप जैसे हमने उनको बनाया है, ये बल्कि नहीं लगते, लेकिन फिर भी बहुत ही स्टेटमेंट चंकी, जंक ज्वेलरी जैसे कहते हैं, उस टाइप का पीस है। तो आई एम होपिंग कि फ़ोन देखना बंद कर दे लोग, आई एम श्योर बंद करेंगे।
Any more questions?
Hi, Masaba.
Hi.
Among these 11 pieces, designs you have made, which is your favorite and why?
The Wanderer Elephant. क्योंकि that's completely my style, and you know, when I made it, I honestly, and I shared it with the Titan team, I remember I was like, I don't think this is going to pass. Because it was so, you know, it was a really bold piece. And I think Titan Raga has always done extremely delicate watches. But they loved it, and I was very happy because I think it's truly a watch for the new age woman. And that's exactly who we're targeting with this. And it's also, I believe, the office favorite of all the women in my office. My office is very young. So we know it's a home run.
Right, anybody else? All right, I have one for Ravikant. I'm sure many of them are wondering where they can get this collection from and would probably want to grab, so where can they find this collection?
Actually, I mentioned it in my earlier one that it's available across 380 stores at most Titan stores, World of Titan stores, at Helios stores, large format stores like Shoppers Stop, online, so everywhere. In fact, since you asked me this question, let me tell you a story. Story in terms of what happened last night. The watches where her collection went on display only last evening. They reached all our stores only last evening. And as it was being displayed at the Colaba store, two watches, two women, I mean, they immediately bought while the watches were being displayed. And we heard a similar story from Chennai, so I'm expecting, you know, an extremely good response as we go forward. Given her quirkiness, I hope most girls go pink when they see this collection. And I'm sure they'd love wearing it and have fun wearing it. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Ravikant.
I must answer one. I didn't complete my answer. I just realized that these watches are much cheaper than smartphones. So women will definitely buy it. They can buy 6. Sorry? Prices between 7,995 to 14,995. See?
किस तरह कलेक्शन लगा?
मुझे खुद का कलेक्शन बहुत अच्छा लगा नहीं बट बहुत ही स्पेशल कोलैबोरेशन है क्योंकि टाइटन रागा इतना आइकॉनिक ब्रांड है और मैं बचपन से देखती आ रही हूँ कि कितना पसंद करती हैं औरतें इनको तो हमने नया ट्विस्ट दिया है ब्रांड को और आई होप पीपल लाइक इट
ब्रांड की तरफ से हम बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं टाइटन रागा बहुत जैसे मसाबा ने कहा बहुत आइकॉनिक ब्रांड है इंडिया में सबसे फेवरेट ब्रांड है टाइटन रागा महिलाओं के लिए और जैसे अब नई जनरेशन की महिलाएं आ रही हैं उनको कुछ हटके चाहिए कुछ अलग चाहिए कुछ एजी चाहिए तो हमारा जो डिज़ाइन लैंग्वेज है वो काफ़ी कंटेम्प्रेरी और एलिगेंट है और मसाबा का जो डिज़ाइन लैंग्वेज है वो थोड़ा क्वर्की है उसमें थोड़ा ट्विस्ट है तो ये दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत अच्छा है हमारे कलेक्शन में
जैसे कि आपने कहा एक ट्विस्ट है तो क्या ट्विस्ट है हम भी जानना चाहेंगे आपका कलेक्शन
आई थिंक सारा जो ट्रीटमेंट वॉचेस की है वो काफ़ी नया है क्योंकि जैसे हमने रोज़ गोल्ड और गोल्ड वॉचेस किए हैं उनमें एक पॉपिंग कलर ऐड किया है तो दैट्स न्यू फ्रॉम रागास पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू और मोटिव्स हमने बहुत ही बोल्ड यूज़ किए हैं जैसे आपने देखा ट्राइबल पिलर और एलिफेंट फिशेस तो ये सब काफ़ी नए हैं रागा के लिए जो काफ़ी एलिगेंट और स्टेटमेंट वॉचेस पहले बनाते थे तो हमने उस पर एक नया यंग ट्विस्ट ऐड किया है और जस्ट मेड इट मोर फन
वॉचेस में काफ़ी कलेक्शन देखने को मिला आपको कौन सा मनपसंद का कलेक्शन है
मेरे तो सारे फेवरेट हैं इसलिए मैंने सारे पहन लिए लेकिन मेरा जो बहुत फेवरेट है वो वॉन्डर एलिफेंट है क्योंकि वो एक्चुअली वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट वॉचेस था जो हमने डिज़ाइन किया My Hindi is going for a toss slowly. I'm not. Yeah. So it was one of the first watches that I designed और मुझे लगा नहीं था कि ये रागा की ब्रांड बुक में फिट आएगा लेकिन सबको इतना पसंद आया और मेरे हिसाब से ये एक ज्वेलरी पीस है तो ज्वेलरी पीस ज़्यादा और वॉच कम लेकिन ये आप कहीं भी पहन सकते हैं
एक्चुअली जब मसाबा ने पहले वो दिखाया था डिज़ाइन तो मुझे भी लगा कि इसमें एलिफेंट्स इतने सारे और इतना बड़ा है और ये बनेगा कैसे डिज़ाइन तो बहुत पसंद आया था बट बनेगा कैसे मतलब एक
टेक्निकलिटी
कैसे लिंक होगा और कैसे पहनेंगे पर हमारे साथ एसोसिएशन बहुत अच्छा रहा है मसाबा के साथ हमारे डिज़ाइन टीम टेक्निकल टीम और उनके मन में जो था एक्चुअली मोरलेस आया है
नहीं पूरी तरह से आया है और आई थिंक बहुत कम ऐसा होता है कि जो आप इमेजिन करते हैं वो प्रोडक्ट के हिसाब से इतना परफेक्ट आता है और ये हो भी गया और वॉचेस फंक्शनल भी हैं तो इट्स एवरीवन्स win-win situation.
अच्छा, अगर किसी को गिफ्ट देना हो तो वो वॉच कौन सी होगी और किसे गिफ्ट देंगे, इसका मतलब बता सकते हैं?
नहीं, मैं अगर देना चाहूँ तो अपनी मॉम को दूँगी, क्योंकि उनके पास इतनी सारी टाइटन वॉचेस हैं लेकिन इस तरह की वॉच नहीं है, तो उनको ऑलरेडी मैं बताती हूँ, ये वाली आई थिंक शी लाइक्स दिस वन, विशिंग स्टार। उनको ये बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि उनको ये वाइंडिंग ब्रश्ड गोल्ड टेक्सचर बहुत पसंद है, तो आई थिंक दैट विल बी माय फेवरेट.
So when and why you thought about this collaboration?
Actually, I think Titan, reached out to me some time back, saying that we have this idea in mind, and I, of course, like I said, I was over the moon because it's one of those brands that you don't dream will ever send you an email. You know what I mean? So it was quite iconic for me, and just that I could creatively do what I wanted to, which I think is wonderful that the Titan team let me, because they are institutional in the watch space, and to let a young designer come and add her twist to it was quite something. So I think it was something mutually both brands wanted to do. I wanted to do a line of watches with India's most iconic brand, and like I said, it's India proud, which is both the labels, and also Raga is a very elegant, sophisticated brand of watches, and I do very edgy, whimsical things. So it was the perfect marriage because it's like yin and yang coming together.
एक्चुअली हमने सोचा था कि हमको यंगर ऑडियंस चाहिए था, और फिर हमने थोड़ा रिसर्च किया कि इंडियन फैशन स्पेस में कौन ऐसे डिज़ाइनर्स हैं जिनके साथ हम एसोसिएट कर सकते हैं जो कि ये नए ऑडियंस के साथ हमारा एक कनेक्शन बनाए. तो इमीडिएटली मसाबा का नेम एकदम टॉप पे था, तो दैट्स व्हाई हमने उनको मतलब उनसे कनेक्ट किया, और हमको ये भी नहीं मालूम था उनका इंटरेस्ट होगा कि नहीं. तो वो बहुत अच्छी तरह हो गया, बिकॉज वी फेल्ट दैट हमारा डिज़ाइन जो लैंग्वेज है वो बहुत एलिगेंट है, सोफिस्टिकेटेड है, क्लासी है, बट यंगर जो महिलाएं हैं आजकल की जो लड़कियां हैं दे आर बोल्ड. उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, उनको चाहिए कि बोल्ड डिज़ाइंस, बोल्ड मोटिव्स
कि लोग नोटिस करें, देखें. तो
उस हिसाब से हमने मसाबा के साथ कनेक्शन जोड़ा.
मसाबा कलेक्शन के लिए देखा जाए तो काफ़ी फैंस हैं उनके, काफ़ी वेट करते हैं, तो इसके आगे क्या क्या कलेक्शन आ रहे हैं?
अभी तो फ़िलहाल हम रागा पे फोकस करेंगे, बट नहीं, इस साल का हाईलाइट यही कलेक्शन था, लेकिन बाकी तो कोलैबोरेशन के हिसाब से वॉचेस हमारी लास्ट कोलैबोरेशन है इस साल के लिए, क्योंकि आई लाइक टू फोकस ऑन वन tie up because it's important that it gets its due. So this is and this is not it, there's more, I'd say. So I'd ask you to wait for that.
Thank you so
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much.
Thank you, man.